Okay, Mansi, let's proceed ahead for your HR of the post of technical officer in Union Bank. So, Mansi, first your brief introduction.
Good evening, sir. My name is Mansi Tiwari. I was born and brought up in Lucknow. I have completed my schooling from Lucknow itself. Thereafter, I have pursued B.Tech in Civil Engineering from Bundelkhand Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jhansi. My father works for Indian Railways. My mother is a housewife, and I have an elder sister who works as software engineer at Arika Networks. I consider myself as an hardworking, enthusiastic person, and I have my interest in writing.
Okay, Mansi, if you get a post of assistant engineer in Uttar Pradesh,
yes, sir.
And another is this in bank technical officer Union Bank, तो कौन सी prefer करेंगे आप और क्यों?
So right now, my personal opinion is that in a developing country like India, bank has a crucial role to play in the country's development. The people need a loan for their startups. They need a loan for their businesses. So bank has a great role to play towards the country's economy. And there's a large chunk of population in India who still finds it very difficult to get easy access to loan and insurance. They are little hesitant about it. So
are you trying
working
to
in that,
so Mansi, are you trying to prove me that banking are more important activities than infrastructure development be as assistant engineer in the state?
so I'm trying to say that when I'm working in banking sector, I would be more connected to the people. I would personally feel that I'm working for their upliftment. I'm working for the country in country's growth. No, on the other hand, infrastructure do contributes to the country's development, but there we don't have a sense of there. What I would feel that we are not directly connecting to people.
So you mean being assistant engineer, you will not be connected to people?
So this is
Are you
my
sure
personal
about that?
opinion that sir, this is my
So
personal
giving
opinion
loan
that
looks like more important than implementation of that money.
so I just want to make the loan
Okay,
and
any idea
insurance
what you will be doing as assistant engineer, as a technical officer in bank? Any idea what you will be doing?
So as far as I have asked my seniors who are working for banking sector, they have informed me that the work of civil engineer at the bank is to that they do the valuation of the property before providing the loan. So we are required to do the valuation of the properties before the mortgage loans and all.
अच्छा मेरे को mortgage के बारे में बताओ क्या होता है? What do you understand by that?
Okay. So mortgage loans are the ones which are taken against any property or the.
अच्छा depreciation?
The depreciation is the decline in the value of any property or any machinery because of the wear and tear of that property.
Any idea कैसे निकालते हैं?
So depreciation के बहुत सारे method होते हैं, but right now I can recall is the straight line method, in which there is a fixed amount of depreciation in every year.
अच्छा डेप्रिसिएशन निकाला क्यों जाता है किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी का? मानसी, क्या तुम चाहती हो ज्यादा डेप्रिसिएशन शो किया जाए या कम डेप्रिसिएशन किसी प्रॉपर्टी का?
सर किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी का डेप्रिसिएशन हम इसलिए निकालते हैं कि प्रॉपर्टी हमेशा वैसी ही नहीं रहती है जैसे वो इनिशियली बनाई गई होती है. उसकी कॉस्ट वैल्यू एक अलग चीज होती है, एंड देन उसमें हर साल एक मेंटेनेंस करना होता है, हर साल उसमें वेयर एंड टियर होता है. तो डेप्रिसिएशन हेल्प्स अस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू कितनी कम हो रही है ईयर बाय ईयर.
अच्छा रिस्क असेसमेंट के कुछ मेथड्स बताइए.
रिस्क असेसमेंट जो हम लोग करते हैं, वी डू इट बाय रिस्क मैट्रिक्स, इन दैट वी हैव the likelihood of the risk of the likelihood that the risk would occur and the consequences of the risk on the vertical and horizontal line. and then we multiply the likelihood into consequence to find out the risk.
अच्छा मानसी, आपको ये बैंकिंग सिस्टम के बारे में कुछ नॉलेज है?
So banking system in exact term.
Do you know something about Reserve Bank of India?
So I know that there are Reserve Bank of India is a centralized bank, and
इनके गवर्नर का नाम बताइए मेरे को. RBI के गवर्नर कौन है?
The current governor of RBI is Mr. Shakti Kanta Das.
क्या बैकग्राउंड है उनका?
I'm sorry, I can't recall the background.
अच्छा, इनका हेड ऑफिस कहाँ है इसका RBI का?
So sorry, I cannot recall.
And Union Bank का?
It has its headquarters at Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yes.
Financial capital of India?
Mumbai is the financial capital of India.
So if you have to guess about RBI's head office, where do you think it will be?
So I would guess it would be at Mumbai only.
And you know, incidentally, your guess is right. This is a financial capital of India, and it is in Mumbai only. Any idea about stock markets?
No, sir.
अच्छा, आपको अगर बैंक में टेक्निकल ऑफिसर आप ज्वाइन करती हैं, क्या ग्रोथ लगता है आपको? क्या ग्रोथ होगा आपका उसमें?
So I feel that this job would offer me a dynamic and challenging work environment, because I would get in contact with new people daily, and so it would be a kind of challenging job.
So how can you contribute into the development of, let's say, bank, if you join it as employee, as civil engineer?
Yes, I would try to understand each and every intricacies of my work, and I would try to deliver all my work with full dedication and competence. And I feel that I have skills of hard work and determination.
Have you heard about bad debt?
Sir?
Bad debt.
No, sir. Sorry.
And bad bank?
So I can only take a guess at it, that it could be the underperforming or the non-profitable bank with a high number of NPAs.
You know what is NPA? Okay, let me ask you. And non-performing assets, they are called. That is good thing or bad thing?
So that is a bad thing.
And bad bank is good or bad?
Bad bank, as the name and indicates, it must be a bad bank.
It is actually a good thing. Bad bank is created by the government actually to merge all NPS. Now let me give you the feedback, Mansi. ये जितने मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं इनको वर्कआउट करो, और तुम वहां पे फंस गए जहां मैंने पूछा एज अ सिविल इंजीनियर, असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर ज्वाइन करोगे या बैंक? तुमने एक पकड़ लिया और जस्टिफाई करने में लग पड़े कि बैंक। क्या फर्क पड़ता है मैं तुम्हें NPCIL में लूं, ONGC में डालूं, असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर डालूं, रेलवेज में डालूं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? यू आर प्रोफेशनल सिविल इंजीनियर, जहां पे भी जाओगे आपसे डेंटिस्ट या सर्जन का काम तो लिया नहीं जाएगा, आप सिविल इंजीनियर का ही काम करोगे. So whatever organization I join, sir, I'll be working as a professional civil engineer.
Okay, sir.
I have my own professional ethics, and I'll be working as per those professional ethics only. पर जो भी वर्ड बोलो पता होना चाहिए क्या होता है वो प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स. तो मेरे को तो मैं बैंक में ज्वाइन करूं या असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर ज्वाइन करूं, आई एम टू गिव माय 100% एज सिविल इंजीनियर. क्या लगता है तुम्हें क्या करोगे? आई डोंट हैव मच आइडिया सर, but I'm sure if there is a post of technical officer, certainly I'll be doing my work as a civil engineer, technical officer.
Okay.
I have heard that sir, there is something which is loan is given by the bank against some properties. I'm to talk about risk assessment, risk mitigation. Non-performing asset of banks are there. Okay. NPA के बारे में पढ़ लेना.
Yes, sir.
और NPA जो है वो किसी भी बैंक के लिए एक लाइबिलिटी होती है, नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट. अब एज सिविल इंजीनियर अगर तुम एनपीए को रिड्यूस करवा पाओ
Yes, sir.
तो कितना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है बैंक में,
Yes.
ये करोगे। मैंने पूछा ना कि एज अ सिविल इंजीनियर क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा, सर मेरे को बहुत नहीं पता, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है एनपीए एक चीज होती है जो ऐसे एसेट जो नॉन परफॉर्मिंग है, और अगर मैं अपना सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का नॉलेज ऐसे रिस्क असेसमेंट में, रिस्क मिटिगेशन में लगा सकूं, ये पढ़ लो सारी की सारी चीजें।
Yes, sir.
मॉर्टगेज वर्ड यूज के आपको पता नहीं है, आरबीआई बैंकिंग सिस्टम पढ़ो सारा, मतलब आरबीआई से स्टार्ट होता है, और फिर यूनियन बैंक का चीफ कौन है, आरबीआई में स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का चीफ कौन है, आईसीआईसीआई का चीफ, बैंकिंग में जा रहे हो थोड़ा आइडिया होना चाहिए। दे चेक वेदर दिस गर्ल इज कमिंग टू बैंकिंग फॉर हर इंटरेस्ट इन बैंकिंग सिस्टम और नॉट, you should have some interest in banking system also,
Okay.
right? And rest I think जो मैंने पिछली बार भी बताया, बैड बैंक के बारे में पढ़ो।
Yes.
बैड बैंक क्या होता है, बैड जो एनपीए डाल देते हैं उसमें,
Okay.
बैड लोन्स को गुड लोन बना देता है, कुछ ऐसा कर देता है, पढ़ो उसके बारे में मानसी, राइट?
Yes, sir.
मतलब तुम्हें नॉलेज एक्वायर करना है काफी अभी इस जॉब के लिए।
Yes, sir.
डन?
Yes, sir. Thank